In modern electronics, you will often hear the term SMD, which stands for Surface Mount Device. These are electronic components that are designed to be mounted directly onto the surface of a printed circuit board, or PCB. SMD technology has become the standard in today's electronics industry, but many beginners wonder, how are SMD components different from traditional components, and why are they so widely used? Let's break down the main differences, advantages, and challenges of SMD components compared to older, through-hole components. 1. Mounting method. The first and most obvious difference is how the components are attached to the circuit board. Traditional components, also known as through-hole components, have long leads or wires that pass through holes drilled in the PCB. After insertion, the leads are soldered on the opposite side of the board. SMD components, on the other hand, have no long leads. Instead, they have small metal pads or short terminals that sit directly on the surface of the PCB. Solder paste is applied to the pads, and the component is placed on top. During the reflow soldering process, the solder melts and creates a strong electrical and mechanical connection. This surface mount method eliminates the need for drilling holes and allows for faster, automated assembly. 2. Size and weight. Another major difference is size. SMD components are significantly smaller and lighter than their through-hole counterparts. Because they do not require holes, manufacturers can design extremely compact circuit boards with high component density. For example, a traditional resistor might be a few millimeters long with long metal leads, while an SMD resistor can be as small as a grain of sand. This size reduction is critical in modern devices like smartphones, laptops, and wearable technology, where saving space is essential. 3. Manufacturing and cost. The use of SMD components has transformed the way electronics are manufactured. Through-hole assembly often requires manual labor, which is slower and more expensive. SMD assembly, by contrast, is highly automated. Machines can place thousands of SMD components per hour with incredible accuracy. This automation reduces production costs, improves consistency, and makes large-scale manufacturing possible. However, for hobbyists or small projects, through-hole components can still be cheaper and easier to solder by hand, especially if you do not have access to reflow ovens or pick-and-place machines. 4. Electrical performance. Because SMD components are smaller and have very short leads, they typically provide better electrical performance. Shorter connections reduce inductance and resistance, which means signals can travel faster with less noise or loss. This is one reason why SMD technology is preferred in high-frequency circuits such as RF communication devices, fast microprocessors, and advanced sensors. 5. Repair and prototyping. While SMD technology